Hello friends, this is Chef Walter. Welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge and News You Can Eat. Today we talk about saffron. The ancient Greeks and Romans used saffron as a perfume, and saffron is mentioned in the Chinese Materia Medica from several books in the 1500s. Today the herb is also used as a cooking spice and a clothing dye. Saffron is believed to be native to the Mediterranean basin, Asia Minor, and Iran. Although Spain, France, and Italy are also now primary cultivators of the spice, with the region of Abruzzo offering the finest in Italy. Its elevated cost has to do with its harvesting, which is very detailed, because only a small amount of each saffron flower is used, and all the harvesting must be done by hand. Crocus sativus, saffron in Latin, is a purple flower. What we use for that distinctive yellow color, the sweet herb smell, and the bitter taste is actually the stigma, or stigmata in plural. The pollen germinating part at the end of the red pistil, the female sex organ of the plant. There are only 3 stigmata in each saffron flower. Once the stigmata and the red pistils have been separated from the plant, they are dried to preserve the color and the unique flavor that we love. Since such a small part of the flower is used, it takes about 75,000 saffron flowers to make 1 pound of saffron spice. The small amount of saffron spice per plant, along with the fact that harvesting must be done manually, leads to saffron being so very expensive. Use sparingly. I want to thank you for watching. Please follow Flavors and Knowledge on flavorsandknowledge.com. If you are on YouTube, we offer a series of video casts, which are all food related, for the education of every one of us. It's called Shareable Good Knowledge. In the meantime, if you're in the kitchen today or tonight and you're using saffron, always dip it in a little bit of water or wine before using it, and it will do wonders for your next risotto alla milanese. Buona cucina a tutti, stay well, we'll chat with you next time. Ciao.